On the next Food is Love.
2017 was a historic year for the Virgin Islands when they were slammed by not one but two hurricanes within a period of 2 weeks. It was a devastating 1-2 punch. Many people were displaced, homes destroyed, and the island were left with crippling damage to the infrastructure. It was at that very moment in time when Telly Wood and Sarah Spencer were prepping to open their first restaurant. In the wake of the storm, their location were destroyed. With no place to live and their prospect suddenly gone, they made a pinch decision to move to St. Louis to open up their Caribbean comfort food spot, Jerk Soul. At first glance, St. Louis may seem far away from the islands, but when a hurricane passes through the Caribbean, you never know what might blow into town. I'm on my way to get a first-hand look how they're bringing those tastes to the Lou.
On the next episode of Food is Love.
Who, Zara? She being interviewed?
I'm coming back.
So what? Oh, they tearing you up? Alright, y'all. Tomorrow. Yeah, you Tuesday. I'll see you, yeah. Tomorrow? Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, alright? Alright.
So why they testing me? Like I don't let a scoffer get the best of me. Like I don't keep the captain to the left of me. Like I don't got the precepts in the text with me. Like we ain't in the streets more than sesame. And we don't get harassed by the deputy. When it comes to prophecy, we got the recipe. We call it white skin, we call it leprosy. All you got on friends is nigga. He's still a god though. Let's keep it pushing, this the gospel. It's a car saying, kicking you with macho. I just love my people, I'm a racist. That's the kind of feeling. This the mixtape, slave ship, the spaceship. It's on the alternate weed smoke.
Alright, I need to know, you the man behind the music. How's the food? Fire? Okay. Alright. That's an assessment. Alright. I'm not gonna ask my brother, he's going in right now. He's going in right now. Y'all good? Anybody need anything? Good, anything? Drinks? Yes. Yes. Oh, no. It is only because we're out of water. But I do have tea. I got tea. You want some tea?
I need some super cold.
I don't know about super cold, but oh yes, we have ice though. So I'll bring some ice and some tea. My broski. Huh? My brothers. What's up?
Hello. Yahoo.
Yahoo. Ooh, check these out though.
That's why I'm really freaking.
Oh. Oh, oh, you seen it. You seen it. Yeah, man, so this the spot, you know. New jerk soul. It's always somebody at my door though. Who's that peeking through my window? The man with the master plan. The man with all of the goodies. Oh yeah, y'all know nothing about that pudding. Man, anyway, y'all know nothing about that. Y'all don't know nothing about that. So, that's Jerk Soul. The tour.